guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I was thinking, I got an idea to try out this new thing. Basically I posted a snap the other day of me like making some DIY face masks, and my sister replied to it and said that she had been trying this new thing called multimasking. So, and she said that like I should try it out because I've been having like bad acne issues. I've been trying to figure out a way to get rid of those dark spots and, you know, not be too harsh because then my face will get dry. And it's really frustrating. But so I read up on multimasking and I feel like that might work for me because like I get oily right here and like here around my nose and then on my chin. But then like around my eyes get dry, and then like down here I need like a brightening mask, you know, like, or like a something that will prevent acne and brighten, you know, like a purifying brightening mask. Basically it's just like what it sounds like. It's, you just put masks on different patches of your skin. And I pulled up this article on it by Allure magazine. Instead of sticking to a rigid regimen, it's best to assess your skin in the morning and evening to see what type of masks you might need most. For example, if you are wearing really thick makeup during the day, you may need a clarifying mask followed by a calming mask. Alternately, if you know you're about to get your period, you may want to look for a mask with anti-inflammatory properties. And then it says be strategic, sit back, relax, and multi-mask. But don't forget to read each formula's instructions and map out a plan first. Apply longer duration masks first and shorter contact ones later, which obviously that makes total sense. Massage helps increase blood circulation and absorption. Finish it with a light layer of lotion to seal all the multimasking benefits. Okay guys, so I'm in my bathroom now and I have everything all set up. I think today I might actually give this Glossier Milky Jelly Cleanser a try. I got a sample of it when I bought my brow, what is that called? My like brow wand or whatever from them, which is an amazing product. And then over here, look at this. This is hilarious. I forgot that I had this mask. Isn't this so goofy? I'm not going to use this. I just thought that that was really funny, so I wanted to show you guys. I think I have everything like planned out. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take my makeup off, wash my face, and then I'll be right back. I don't know why I did that. I'm really sleepy. My cat just jumped up on the counter. Jim, you can't be there. I need that space, dude. He wants to be up there so bad. Oh, he's hugging me. Do you guys see this? I'm gonna have cat fur all over my mask when I do it. Thanks a lot, Jim. I just used this. I tested it out, so this is like a first impression, I guess. But, and I know you can't like tell how you feel about a facial cleanser off of first impression. But yeah, it does feel like a really good conditioning face wash. It felt like it cleaned my skin really well. And conditioned my skin. Like, it doesn't feel like it dried my skin out at all. And then I did use my toner. Alright, I think what I'm going to do then is I'll start with the moisturizing ones and then move to like the clay ones, because the clay ones like take longer to dry. And then I'll probably do, let's see, this one says 15 to 20 minutes, so I'll do this one before the charcoal. Okay. I think I got it figured out. I wonder if I should do double on some spots. I don't know. This is a hard choice. Alright, whatever. I'm going to start with this Filorga Laboratories Meso Mask. Okay. That should be plenty. You don't need a lot of this mask. I'm going to bring this over. I want to get right above my eyes because oddly enough that's the spot that's been getting dry, like right, like my hood of my eyes or whatever. That's where I've been getting dry spots lately. Okay, and then I'm just gonna do the apples of my cheeks. Okay, and then next, I'm going to take this because it says you can like double layer them. So I'm going to take this and put this only on the spots where I get really dry. So I'm going to put this brightening pearl mask like under my jawline and like bring it down a little bit because I break out like basically all around here and then like up through here a little bit. You just jumped up on my shelf. Trying not to mix the masks. And then I'm going to do this black mask. It says to do these kind of masks like in your oily areas. So I'm just gonna basically do it like right there. And then right down my nose. And then right on the tip of my chin usually gets oily. Okay, now this is really starting to look like multi-masking. Before it just kind of looked like a white mask or something. But so far I have 4 masks on. So I am going to use the clay mask for this. I'm basically going to give myself a mustache with this and look like a crazy person for a little bit. Just because I don't want anything too harsh on that area. But I do break out around my mouth. And then I'm going to come down the sides where I didn't get with the other masks. And then also up here. You really don't use too much of the masks while you're doing this. So like if you bought like 3 face masks, like a moisturizing one, a brightening one, and an acne fighting one, you could make them last for quite a while. I'm kind of going a little bit extra with this just because it's the first time I'm trying it out, you know? But like, you don't need to do like 7 masks, really. You could just do the ones that you need. I did the avocado and oatmeal clay mask, right, like basically around here and then around my mouth. And then the pearl mask I did right here and under my jawline. And then the black charcoal mask I did right here, down the tip of my nose and on the sides of my nose. And then on my forehead where I get oily. I look so insane right now. And then I did the moisturizing Filorga mask underneath my eyes and around my eyes. I did the Neutrogena moisturizing gel mask right across my eyebrows. I don't know if you can even, oh yeah, you can see it a little bit. The blue, like the chunky parts. So I didn't really rub it in because I didn't want to rub off that Filorga mask. And I brought that mask pretty close to my eyes. So most of these masks dry down, except obviously the gel one. This is what it looks like, all completed. So I'm going to let these sit for like 10 to 15 minutes and then I'll be back to peel and wash them all off. Okay, I have to get this stuff off my face because like I can feel it tightening into all of my pores, like pulling all of my acne out. It's making any acne spots, like any pimples, it's making them like itch like crazy. Jim. Oh. Ow. And then I'm gonna wash the rest of my face off and then we'll see what I think. My face is all rinsed off now. I'm gonna do that massaging thing. I hope I didn't get any of that in my eyes because I had it really close to my eyes, like much closer than I usually go. So I'm gonna massage my face. This is weird to record. And then I'm going to put some moisturizer on just to lock it all into place like that article said. Okay, so overall this was like a good experience. I think I'll probably do multi-masking in the future. Probably like a few times a month maybe. I don't think you need to do it every time. And it does say in that article, like, be careful, don't don't abuse masking, because even if you're not multi-masking, that can be really bad for your skin. But I would suggest try it out for yourself, see what you think. If you have really combo skin, like I know in the winter, my skin gets really dry in certain spots, and then like it still gets oily in other spots. So this would probably be so helpful. If you live somewhere with winter months, this would probably be great, because I feel like most people that go through like a harsh winter experience like dry spots of skin. I only did it this once, so like I can't really give you a conclusion, but my skin feels great and it was fun. It was pretty time consuming, but I used like several masks, so if you only used like 2 or 3 masks, it would probably be much less time consuming. You'll just have to try it out for yourself and really see, because everyone's got different skin. You might need to do it, you might not need to do it, you might not even need masks. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and check out some of my other videos over in this area somewhere. Thanks for watching. Bye.